Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. This video is for educational purposes only, and nothing that I share is financial advice. If you are interested in joining any of the platforms that I share in this video or on this channel, you can find the sign-up links in the video description and comment section. If for some reason the links are unclickable, please go to my YouTube homepage description and click the link for my link tree. From there, you will see several of the platforms that I talk about on this channel. Click any of the options that you're interested in to go directly to sign up. Please like and subscribe if you like the content on this channel and would like to see more. Thank you and enjoy the video.
I've been getting that guac, dough, cheddar cheese, money stack, that cream cash, all I got is fat racks. Talking about the chips, dollar bills, yeah, I stash that. All about the Benjamins, give me that cash, 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 cash. Give me that cash, 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 cash. You know that I'm all about the money. I've been getting that guac, 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 guac. All I got is fat racks, 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 racks.
Good afternoon, good evening. My name is Roy Morris, and it's my immense pleasure to host this presentation training. We have someone here has all the information needed. As a team, we have grown into 1200 plus in 11 plus days. KK will have his story. He probably have 3000 plus people already. It's not months. The system only started a few weeks ago. But KK has been in this industry for a long time, fully decentralized projects, and he made millions in this arena. So he knows how to check something when they come back, and he doesn't jump into projects. And he gave me a project a few years ago. We made a lot of BMBs, and he made more than 500,000 people in his team, and it's still growing. And now when he called me about 10, 11 days ago, I have no questions. I just jumped in, and then I looked at it, and I was so happy that he invited me. And most of you are already experiencing this, but we have KK has all the information he needed. So without further ado, let me introduce KK.
Yeah, thank you, Roy. Thank you so much to you. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, warm welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending upon the country and the time zone you have entered into this Zoom from my side to you. Okay, and I'm into this, affiliate marketing domain and space, guys, for almost 26 years now. I entered into very early age. And since then, I have done a few projects, and with the grace of God and with the help and support of my team members, people like you, we have really grown together, you know, in every projects. And I, of course, do my due diligence before entering into any project. I see pros, cons, everything. And this is the amazing, one of the best projects I have ever come across. One of the very few projects that I have done wherein the huge community have really gathered and people have been teaming up very nicely and really churning big profits from the platform. And this crypto fortune is the best we could have started right in the beginning of this year. And you people are so privileged and lucky to find this in your life, because through this you can really be a crypto millionaire in 2026 through this crypto fortune project, a project that is totally dedicated and committed to the whole community around the world. It's a community driven platform wherein ownership lies totally within ourselves. We all are responsible, equally accountable for running and moving this project. No honor here. Someone definitely have created, few people together would have definitely created this project, but once they had made this project deployed on blockchain or Binance Smart Chain, it's a DeFi project. Now it has gone into the hands of the communities, and they, the developer, the previous owners of the platforms, are also like us now today. They are also working. In fact, I can show you after the presentation, they have put more than 62 directs into the system. In fact, they were ones who have made this project really go viral all around the world, just like a wildfire. So, you can reap out the best out of this platform. How exactly it can benefit you? Let me share with you, but let me ask you one question. How many of you have joined this session today, very first time to know about this crypto fortune? You haven't joined crypto fortune so far. Can I see your hands going up, ladies and gentlemen? How many of you are the newbie, new guest present here? Because this session is totally dedicated to the people who are going to join this session first time. Oh, only one person. You can raise your hands. You can write the answer in the chat box. How many of you are new people here who would like to know this platform? Very first time you have joined this. You have not become a part of this session, because this is really interesting, because my presentation is going to be based on that thing, customized. I think everyone has joined. Everyone present here has already been a part of the system. So, okay, I'll just do a quick presentation along with the training. Okay, there's another guy who has written to me in the chat box. Okay, very fine. So I'll take you to the quick presentation, of crypto fortune, and of course followed by a quick learning session about, the basic idea about our platform. So let me share with you without wasting much time, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. And we are talking about, yes, one of the most amazing and highly money fetching, especially in the form of USDT, the stable cryptocurrency. This platform can really make you earn a lot, provided you understand the mechanics it is based on. The name of the platform is Crypto Fortune, ladies and gentlemen. It is a DeFi project, decentralized finance project, which is actually a business model based on community-centric stuff. In fact, communities are the owners and the movers of this platform. And we have had so far over 13,000 users entered. We have entered into the day number 16 today, and it is really, creating a big buzz all around the world. Crypto Fortune is basically a complete blockchain driven and decentralized platform, which is 100% decentralized, full full actually automation here, no human intervention, and the best part is that immutable coding. It means no changes can be made to this platform ever. So this is a very nice thing. No central control, no human intervention. Everything is fully on automated mode. No admin interference here as well, and no stoppage of anybody's account, their payouts. What we see in most of our centralized systems, we have had become a part of those earlier. Mission and visions are very simple: to make everyone crypto millionaire through this platform, and it is a very, very viable, sustainable business model, in spite of the fact, when you will come to know the kind of benefits it offers to people, is mind-blowing. It's hard to believe on initially, but the platform algorithm and mechanism really make this possible to have that kind of profits and benefits from the platform. I'll share with you in due course of presentation. The whole DeFi project of Crypto Fortune is based on Binance Smart Chain, one of the most widely accepted blockchain network all around the world, owned by the developer of Binance, which is the largest crypto exchange, which is the largest crypto exchange in the world. Ladies and gentlemen, please mute your microphone. Don't try. Let me mute everyone here. Okay, just a sec.
All good, all good. You can.
Yeah. So, okay. Just a sec. Give me a moment. Yes. Okay, I was here. So Binance Smart Chain has got a lot of added advantages and features around the world. So Binance Smart Chain was really a boon for this platform. No, why you must be a part of the system, as I have already shared with you, and keep talking about this, because these are the USPs of the platform that you must know. You must make everyone informed, aware. When you give presentation, invite your guests and deal with your team members. 100% smart contract driven system, which is absolutely based on trust, truth, transparency, and of course driven by the technology. 100% verified smart contract, which is decentralized and fully automated. The code is law written in the smart contract, and if you perform, take actions, do activities on this platform according to the law, which is mentioned through the code in the contract, you will be rewarded, guys. Here, you will be rewarded. So it is you, me, rather we are the owners of this platform. Okay. Now, cryptocurrency, who doesn't want to own the top 5, 10 best cryptocurrencies in the world? But the problem is that we have really missed big chances in past. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Solana, BNB. These are the few cryptocurrencies that everyone wants to have in their portfolios. Now, through Crypto Fortune is the big chance for all of us to earn USDT, which is mainly the pair for all top cryptocurrencies. USDT stablecoin, which has no fear for volatility point of view. The rate is stable, almost close to 1 USD. Now, here the currency that is being used in our DeFi project is USDT on Binance Smart Chain Network. So it's a big chance for all of you to mint a lot of USDTs and own cryptocurrencies of your choice. You can get those USDTs liquidated into your local currency because it is as good as 24 karat digital gold. Liquidity is not a problem. So it's a big chance for all of us to mine through this platform of cryptocurrency lots many USDTs, and people have been really earning a lot of USDTs. Now we have entered into day number 16 as far as the Crypto Fortune platform is concerned. Got launched on 6th Jan 2026, and today is 26th January. So only 16 days have just gone, and Crypto Fortune has made its presence in over 50 countries, guys. And thousands of people have already onboarded into this platform, and many of them, out of those several thousands of people, are really earning very huge money from the platform. You too can become, whether it's Europe, America, you know, South America, Asia, other parts of the world, everyone is getting, you know, involved themselves with this project because of the nature and the quick earning potential with no risk and scam. No risk and scam will ever happen. Keeping those things in mind, people are really bullish about the system. Now, what is smart contract? We all know smart contract is basically a digital agreement between the developer and the users. And you must have seen a lot of smart contracts in past, but the uniqueness of this smart contract is, immutable coding, makes no changes in the platform at any point of time. It gives you the peace of mind and full safety and security. Fully renounced ownership is also the added advantage here. It means the developer and creator have no control at all on this smart contract. And since the blockchain executes each and every stuff automatically, provided you give the prompt through website or through the smart contract, then everything according to the very much mentioned stuff in written through the coded language in the smart contract is going to give you all the profits, benefits that are duly, you know um, that in due course you are able to make from the platform. So if you are going to work according to the code of this law written in the smart contract, you will be rewarded immensely, ladies and gentlemen. So this smart contract has got unique features, and this is the most important aspect of the whole platform, and which we must understand, because a lot of people, after seeing the presentation, getting the benefits, after getting into the system, they do ask this question all the time, like, Can you see my screen here? Yes.
Yes, yes, we can.
Okay, okay, perfectly fine. So this is the most important aspect of this presentation. You need to understand from where the generation is happening on this platform to pay to all the users. As we all know, guys, the whole world, the whole universe is actually based on one fundamental principle that is called rotation and circulation, along with people's participation. This is the fundamental principle that drives the whole universe, economy, and companies, corporates, all platforms, human beings, everyone are part of this rotation, circulation, and people participation fundamental principle. Now, let me elaborate a bit on this. Actually, whatever you see, the planets rotate in their orbits. Similarly, weather season also rotates. In fact, all the businesses have this rotation and circulation and people participation theory attached to it. And most importantly, banks, the stock market, insurance market, and companies. In fact, the government structure also based on this rotation and circulation principle. So whatever you have heard before, people talking and telling you that we do this kind of work, we do arbitrage trading, we do stocks trading, we do crypto tradings, we generate funds and we pay to the users, and we are also have got used to this policy and philosophy. Whenever there is a platform we find wherein it is mentioned that you are going to earn this much daily profits, that much weekly profit on or monthly benefits, we ask automatically from where the funds are going to come into the system to pay us. And then we have this generation principle that are being talked about, like we generate funds through crypto trading, forex trading, arbitrage trading, stocks trading, or we do invest in real estate market, gold market, bullion market, silver market, blah blah blah, lots many things. But let me tell you, generation actually how it happens. Nobody has spoken about it, talked to people about this, but through crypto fortune you will able to come to know the basic building blocks of the generation today. And you will understand generation is basically can be defined by a mathematical formula. Generation is equal to rotation along with circulation plus people's participation. So whenever there are people who are going to participate somewhere, they will keep buying products of some company, services from some company. They will do certain activities. They will take some actions on certain platforms. The participation of people is really going to do certain activities, and because of those activities funds are getting generated, maybe from people's participation, maybe from people's buying those products and services, maybe from people taking actions and activities on the platform, and through the third party the funds are getting generated, and that's how the turnover gets generated, and that's how the profits are being made, expenses are being borne, and that's how the system actually run. In fact, the government also is totally dependent on people's participation. We pay taxes to the government. If all the people stop paying taxes to the government, what will happen? The government will go bankrupt, just like we have seen in several countries. We have seen in several countries like Venezuela, Lebanon, Myanmar, all these countries are having a tough time. So their currencies have really gone haywire, having almost negligible values. It's because of the government become bankrupt, because of their policies, and because of taxes are not being collected properly, and a lot of other stuffs. So it's a rotation and circulation principle that makes everything go in a proper order and makes things viable, sustainable for all human beings all around the world, and for country also, for company also. So this is what exactly crypto fortune is based on. Crypto fortune is actually based on people's participation that creates demand and supply analogy here. And because of the people's participation, demand is so high, and the liquidity is going to be supplied from the people's side into the smart contract liquidity pool. And that's how the funds are getting generated. And the biggest USP why the system will sustain and is going to run for long, because here is the biggest USP. You have the big possibilities, probabilities to double your funds in 30 days. And who doesn't want to get this offer? Who doesn't want to be attracted towards this offer? So if you have minimum $20 to any amount, you can double it here. You can double it here, and that too in just 30 days without being having a fear of getting scammed, rug pulled, or any stuff like that. So absolute peace of mind, safety, security. You see everything happening, which I'll be sharing with you in due course. So this is the principle on which Crypto Fortune is based, guys. Now, how you can join Crypto Fortune? Crypto Fortune is a platform made for everyone, for classes as well as for masses. Now here you need a Web3 wallet, non-custodial Web3 wallets, maybe MetaMask, maybe Token Pocket, SafePal, but we recommend you to install preferably SafePal, the number one choice here, maybe Token Pocket, Bitget wallet as well. So just install, download, which are absolutely available free of cost from Play Store, App Store. And once you have downloaded it, fund your wallet with USDT on BEP20 network, and definitely $1 or $2 worth of BNB also you will be needing to pay the gas fees. So the USDT is the main currency that we use on this platform. So, install, download this wallet, get ready to have the required amount of USDT along with the BNB worth $1 or $2 to pay the gas fee, and ask the referral link from the person who have shared with you this amazing, awesome opportunity, and you are totally ready to get yourself started here. Now, what are the benefits, profits you are going to make from the platform? Now, this is amazing, and please pay attention because this is really going to make you very, very rich if you understand it, if you focus on it, if you work on this platform for few months from now on. Now, 3.33% daily profits, ladies and gentlemen, you are going to make from the platform for 30 days continuously on the amount you're going to invest into the platform through staking. Okay, now the first cycle, every 30 days has been called here a cycle. Okay, so first cycle, one can put in how much money, right from $10 to $500 maximum. $10 I will not recommend anybody to put into, because if you put $10, definitely you are going to earn 3.33% daily profits on this $10. But when you will recommend the business or opportunity or platform with your near dear ones, loved ones, you are not going to get any benefit in the form of referral bonus and community building bonuses. So start yourself at least with $20 or more in, okay, here. So your money will be invested and logged while staking for 30 days, on which you will be getting daily profit of 3.33%. Let's say you start with $100, so $3.33 are going to come into your wallet every day, which you can withdraw subject to the withdrawal parameters, and you will be earning this profit 3.33% daily till 30 days. So actually your $100 gives you an yield in terms of profit in totality $99.99, almost $100 it is close to. And then on 30th day your principal gets unlocked, which you can withdraw or maybe you can reinvest, totally up to you. So basically if you withdraw, so you make $200 out of $100 you invested on the very first day, so you have 2x your funds in 30 days. Principal return is also here. And after first cycle, you can invest in another 30 days for second cycle, wherein minimum $20 and maximum $2,000 is the upper cap limit here. Once the second cycle gets completed, you can enter into third cycle and so on and so forth, wherein the maximum limit, your limit gets increased in every cycle up to $5,000. Now you must be wondering, if I would like to invest more than 500 or more than 2,000 or more than 5,000, is it possible? No. Here the anti-whale mechanism has been put into action here. Because of this anti-whale mechanism, the system is going to sustain for long, because in this kind of DeFi, ROI based, return based program, what actually happens, the big whales, we call them big fish, the financial big investors who generally come in the early stage of the platform, maybe during the first few days or weeks, and they put big amount of money to eat systems liquidity. So that mechanism has been applied here, which is called anti-whale mechanism, that will not allow anyone to put in the first cycle not beyond $500, in the second cycle not beyond $2,000, and third cycle onwards only maximum $5,000. So this is a really an very clearly mentioned algorithm that has been applied into the code of the smart contract. That is one of the reasons the contract is going to sustain for long. Okay, so the system is going to be viable along with the other stuff also I'll be sharing with you in due course. So this is the first super duper passive income, guys. If you really hate promoting any concept, if you are come into pressure when somebody tells you to recruit people, build up team, you are at the right place here. You just invest your money and keep earning 3.33% on daily on the invested amount, as long as you want this to really happen to you. Now, if you are a person like me, or maybe Roy, or maybe Mr. Coglan, or many other people who are present here who would like to talk about something nicely you come across with your loved ones, with your people, with your team, then definitely your benefits and profits are going to be multiple and manifold times here. We have an opportunity to earn from our community members who are going to join, you know, through you up to 20 deep down levels. Now we have the level income bonus from our community. From level one, who are the people who will be joining through your referral link, you will be earning 5% on their invested amounts. Level 2 people will pay you 3%, level 3 to 5 people 2%, level 6 to 10 people 1%, 11 to 15 people who will fall at these levels under your network will pay you 0.5%, and 16 to 20 level people will pay you 0.25%. One thing you need to understand over here, these are recurring incomes. As and when the people will join, you will be getting these commissions, bonuses on their invested values. Along with that, when they will reinvest, when they will put more deposits into the system, you will again earn on them these percentages on their invested value. So these are, ladies and gentlemen, the recurring incomes we are going to get from our community members. But in order to earn these level income, level bonuses, there are simple, easy criteria you need to complete. Now, if you join with minimum $20 or more, that's why I told you guys not to make someone join with $10, okay? Because he or she will lose the community bonus benefits. So if you start yourself with $20 or more, definitely you will be in a position to earn from your first 3 level people unconditionally. From level 1 to level 3 people, whosoever join under you, through your team members, they will pay you 5% unconditionally, okay? And level 4 to 6 people, team members, are only going to pay you when you have your own self deposit $50, along with one direct referrals going to be referred through your referral link. You need to have who can join with minimum $50. So when I say direct, $50 minimum deposit or maybe more. Level 7 to 10 team members who are going to join at these 7 to 10 levels can pay you, how much? They can pay you this much, 2%, 6 to 10, 1% here, and they can pay you only when you have your self deposit of $100 and 2 direct referrals with minimum $50 deposit. 11 to 15 level team members under you can pay you, this much, 0.5% each person who can invest money placed at these levels. If you have your self deposit only $100, which you have already done for the previous levels achievement, and 3 directs, one more direct you put with $50 or more. So total 3 directs can unlock your 15 levels, and 16 to 20 levels you can unlock by adding additional $100 deposit to make it a total of $200 self deposit plus 5 direct referrals coming with $50 deposit. So if you join yourself with $200 funds and you put 5 direct referrals with minimum $50 or more deposits they make, you are in a position to keep earning from all the 20 level team members, people's network that are going to come under you. So this is the system This is the way the system actually works. I don't know who unmutes people over here. Okay, so this is how the system actually works, guys, here. Just a second, whenever, give me a moment. Okay.
Okay,
So
it's okay. Nobody can unmute you.
yeah, these are the level income. These are the level incomes actually when people, build up team, create network. It is wisely said by somebody that your network is your net worth in life. So if you really want to increase your net worth, you must focus to create network, build up network. Your team can help you fulfill your dream. Your team can help you fulfill your dream. And building team, creating network, along with building your self invested amounts are very, very easy, super simple here, because you are offering something to someone. That person is in dire need to have it. If you go and talk somebody that you can double your funds in 30 days, will you be interested? Are you interested? Definitely the person can hop into it, and you are giving them safety, security, the multi-layer, absolute guarantee that is coming from the blockchain and smart contract. No scam, no shutting down of the website, no stealing of funds by the creator or owner side. So everyone is definitely going to join and team up with you. Now we have additional, last but not the least, income called rank and reward. Now, this is interesting, guys. I'm sure many of you have really undermined this rank and reward so far. Today, I'm going to show you a big picture of this rank and reward. You can literally earn almost close to $19,000 from only reward programs. And how you can get this? If you just make a self deposit of $200, which is almost there to unlock your levels, also $200 self deposit, and here 5 directs with $50 deposit, just push them to join with $200. 5 directs with $200 will really help you to go up the ladder to receive all the rewards based on your ranks. So you become explorer, R1 rank holders the moment you put your self deposit $200 with 5 direct referrals with $200 each one coming with, and if you do it in 7 days, you earn $50 reward. Similarly, if you help two of your directs, just find two good people in your team, help them to become these rank holders, you will already hit $10,000 reward, the top one. And this way, you're going to accumulate almost 18,000 plus dollar from the platform. Level bonuses are separately, guys. So if you help your two of your direct referrals achieving first rank explorer or R1 rank, and that if you do it maximum within 50 days, you earn $100 reward. Similarly, if you help two of your direct referrals becoming the staker rank, R2 rank, then within 30 days, you earn $200 worth of reward, and rewards are instant. The moment you achieve, you just update on your dashboard, the funds will come into your account immediately. Help two of your direct referrals. So everything is based on two of your direct referrals. So, find your direct referrals who are really, having the hunger to earn a lot of money from the platform. So they will run. You are just going to guide them, support them, help them, give them the all desired tools, inputs needed to perform. So two holders can make you mover, which will allow you to earn $400. That should be done in 60 days. You can become builder by having two of your directs becoming mover, and this will make you earn $1,000. That should be completed in 90 days. We are into day number 16. Including me, a lot of my team members have hit already 3 rank rewards. 3 rank rewards. So it's really amazing, guys. Similarly, you can become, promoter, executor, and victor by having two of your direct referrals under you, becoming builder, promoter, and executor. That will help you to earn respectively $2,000, $5,000, and $10,000. Last 3 ranks and their corresponding rewards are having the maximum time limit of 365 days, 1 year from your first deposit date. And the first 5 rewards are having these time foundation. So make sure to fulfill your desired criteria for achieving rewards within the stipulated time, else you will, you know, not be able to earn. If you miss your first reward, still you have a big chance to qualify for the remaining one. So don't get disheartened if you would have missed your first or second reward. No issue. You can still aim for the remaining higher rank rewards. Now, why only Crypto Fortune is the best platform you should associate yourself at this point of time? There's a big void in the market. Crypto Fortune is really sweeping the world. Anti-whale entry system makes the platform become very, very, you know, sustainable. No big players, big investors will enter into the system and eat out the liquidity of the platform. Maximum $500 entry, you know, barrier is really creating a magic within this smart contract. An equal opportunity for everyone to make money. Ownership free protocol is also the added advantage, which allows users to have peace of mind without having any threat, danger, and going to be rug pulled or scammed in this project. Fully decentralized system is additional layer of security and guarantee that no user, including the owner developer, have rights and controls to make any changes into the system. That is also going to be authorized with this new immutable smart contract system. And ownership renounced transaction has are all testimonies that you can verify after going to our smart contract and seeing the transaction history. The ownership has been renounced, and code is the law here. So if you're going to take action, perform activities according to the code guidelines, you will be rewarded hugely here. Fully audited report is also going to give you a real-time statistical data that will help you updated about every aspect of our platform. How much fund is going in, how much is coming out, how many users are there, what is the total current balance lying in the liquidity pool. So these are the real-time data. We park our funds in the bank, but we are not aware how much healthy the bank financial system is. Actually, you pay insurance to the company, but you are not aware what is the financial health of that insurance sector and company. Similarly, the financial health of the government. You must be hearing this news that United States of America is under big debt, and the current president has been trying its best to overcome that thing. So financial health situations is going to be checked through the audit report of Crypto Fortune that will aware you, inform you, share with you exactly which way the community driven system of Crypto Fortune is really heading towards. Sustainable and transparent returns for one and all. 3.33%, guys. Everyone is going to make from the platform, whether you are a small investor starting with $20 or maybe $200 and tomorrow $2,000 in second cycle. So everyone is equal here. This is called the democratic principle, decentralized principle. Everyone is equal in the eye of this smart contract. And 100% on-chain payout that happens immediately the moment you click the button or withdrawal button. You will immediately find your funds into your wallet without any condition, without any wait. So these are the one of the nicest thing we have seen here. And the 20 level deep earning program allows you to make a lot of USDTs from the system. People have really hit $1,000 daily income also in my team. Now, important participation terms here. Minimum withdrawal is just $5. The moment you hit $5, earning in your wallet, you can withdraw. You can reinvest or as well. Withdrawal is going to have some deductions applied on it. 5% deduction on every withdrawal you are going to make from the platform. You can reinvest your income that you get from the platform either through ROI or benefits, reward benefits, or through network benefits. So you can reinvest and increase your invested amount portfolio through your earnings. And this facility is available within your dashboard, so you don't have to input funds here. Rather, use your income to increase your portfolio of your invested amount. Cycle duration, I have already shared with you, 30 days. Every cycle stands here for 30 days only. Principal return is sure shot guaranteed without any condition. The moment your 30 days gets over, you are totally free to withdraw your principal. You have the right to reinvest as well, because you are the owner. All communities are the decision maker and having the ownership right and control. So everything is given into your hand to take this business to whatever and whichever level you really wish to do it. And reinvestment of bonuses is also there. So this is what the presentation of Crypto Fortune is all about. Now I will take you to some more supplied by the developer and creator here, cryptofortune.live. If you just click on this in your browser, you will find the site Crypto Fortune. And if you just go down, ladies and gentlemen, you will find a lot of tools have been given here on this website. The first one is the security terminal heading, view audit log. Now it will take you, if you click here, this button given here, view audit log, it will take you to the third party website which has done the auditing of our smart contract. Audit reports given by Haze Crypto, a renowned platform in affiliate marketing. Now this is the audit report of Haze Crypto. Now, which gives the real-time data. 13,793 users have already onboarded this platform, 5.19% surge as compared to last 24 hours. Over 1.6 million of USDTs have got deposited from the different users coming from different parts of the world so far in just 16 days, guys. 640,000 plus USDTs have been withdrawn by the different users as their ROI profits, benefits, or network bonuses. 975,112 USDTs are lying as a balance in the liquidity pool of the smart contract. Hopefully by tonight or maybe early morning, we'll cross 1 million, because withdrawals are also happening regularly. So that's why, these data are really fantastically given for us by the Haze Crypto team to analyze the platform and decide whichever way you would like to work on. You would like to play like 2020 format, or 50-50 format, or test match like format. Okay, if you are having follow cricket, so I've been just talking to you in a cricket format language. Users graph, you can see here, users graphs are really going up, just like parabolic graph, we call it in mathematics. Similarly, the turnover business volume is also something parabolic only in nature. And these are the bar diagram. The green buildings, candles, you can see these are the deposits here. Deposit, date-wise deposits. It is giving last 6-7 days data. And the red candle here represents the withdrawal. So you can see here, this diagram is depicting everything here. Now, conclusion of the whole audit report made by the, this auditor states very firmly, strongly, emphatically, like CF DeFi. CF stands for Crypto Fortune. Smart contract is safe for use in Binance Smart Chain, and it has found no vulnerabilities, backdoors, and scam scripts. So this is a really very good thing, and it has passed all the tests. We do talk about this in our training session, guys. So that's the one aspect you must see, show your people to have the complete understanding about the project. But this doesn't stop here. Now here we have been given on the site itself the smart contract address, and the two options. You can copy the smart contract and go to the BSC scanner, Binance Smart Chain scanner, or directly you can click this BSC scan button and it will take you to the bscscan.com, Binance Smart Chain scanner, where you can find our contract address ending with 5BF2. Having a total current liquidity lying in the contract 974,138. And see the kind of transactions happening on our contract, guys. Withdrawal of network bonus, somebody done 4 seconds ago, someone claimed royalty. So actually it's a blockchain based system. So you have to give command through your dashboard, through our smart contracts to make every transaction executed. Okay, so no human intervention. You are going to give the command, and the blockchain smart contract will give you the output. So these are the outputs. People have given instructions, they have withdrawn ROI, they have been claiming ROI, they have been depositing funds, all these things. And you can see in 1 minute how many transactions happen. See, the frequencies of transactions are really getting increased as the users numbers are also going up. So these are the very, fantastic data that is going to tell you ins and outs of this contract. Contract source code verified. Click on contract. You will find 3 buttons. Code, you can copy it. You can go to the Chat GPT, Gemini, or any AI tools. Give them the right prompt. If you will not give the correct prompt, it will give you misleading information. Chat GPT, Gemini can make mistake. It is being announced actually by the developer. Okay, so give the right prompt. It will give you the correct picture of this contract code, that it has no human intervention, no scam possibility here, no losses of funds, for the users. So everything is as here. We have tried, tested, shown in several meetings, training program. We'll do it in future as well. This is the presentation part. Now click on the read contract and see who is the controller of this smart contract. Admin. Who is the admin of this contract? The admin rights have been shifted to the null address, void address. Ownership has been renounced. So while you renounce some contract ownership, it gets shifted to the null or void address. So there is no admin control here. It's been proved hence here. Okay. Similarly, read contract section gives you all the informations that you would be interested knowing it. So click on the point number 22, total registered users. It is going to give you 13,851 total registered users. Total active users who made deposits into the system, 11,356. User cycles also, you can input your ID, you can find the user cycle. Also user information, you can input your account ID here, you can, and click on query, you can find the all those information pertaining to that particular account, like the wallet address, the total direct somebody has done, and things like that. Similarly, write contract section also gives you a lot of things that you can perform if you are having issues accessing our website, and if you're having problems because of something or other, you can do all the actions through this right contract section of the smart contract, like claiming of principals, claiming of ROI, and deposits, registrations, renouncement of ownership has already been done. So this button is non-clickable. You can see here, update rank, withdrawal of rank reward. So all the user-based commands have been given here. So in case of website not functioning well, is banned in your country, no issues here, guys. We are not a blockchain, we are not a website based system, rather we are a blockchain driven DeFi project where you can do each and every activity under right contract section of this crypto fortune program by registering somebody, depositing funds, claiming royalty. I will show you maybe in the next training how to withdraw from the blockchain, how to register someone through the blockchain. So this will give you what kind of platform we are working on. Okay, so there are lots more to be talked about. So let's leave it for today, this much only. We do talk about a lot of things in the training sessions. Now we have some time to have some